Welcome to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into Kroger credit card online. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in www.krogermastercard.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page. You can simply click on this login button at the top right hand corner, and in the account login page, type in a username. If you don't have a username yet, or if you've not signed up, you can click on this create a username and password link at the bottom and follow the on-screen prompts. Once you type in a username, if you'd like the system to remember your username, click on this little box beneath, but leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared computer. After filling in your username, go to the next field and type in your password associated with your account. If you don't remember the password during logging in, click on this Get Login Help link beneath and follow the instructions. After filling in the details, click the Login button and you'll be able to get access to your Kroger credit card online. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.